Are you looking to start a garden but not sure where to begin? Well, you're in for quite the adventure. Gardening is a delightful blend of art and science, a world where you can grow your own little Eden, whether it be inside or outside. Indoor gardening, you see, is a fantastic option if you're working with limited space or facing challenging weather. Imagine growing a plethora of plants, fragrant herbs, or even your own vegetables right in the comfort of your home. It gives you a chance to carefully control elements like temperature, humidity, and lighting. Plus, it's a year-round green ticket. Outdoor gardening, on the other hand, offers the thrill of larger plants and trees, basking in the glory of natural sunlight and fresh air. It's a chance to truly become one with nature. In essence, whether you're blessed with a tiny balcony or a sprawling backyard, there's a gardening option just waiting for you. So why wait? Dive in and watch your garden and perhaps a part of you flourish. Indoor gardening might be the way to go if you have limited space or live in a climate with harsh weather conditions. This method of nurturing plants allows you to bring the beauty of nature into your living space. It's like having your own personal oasis right in the comfort of your home. One of the major advantages of indoor gardening is the control it gives you over the environmental conditions. You have the power to manipulate the temperature, humidity, and lighting to suit the needs of your plants. This is particularly useful if you're growing delicate plants that need a specific climate to thrive. Another benefit is the ability to garden all year round. No more waiting for the right season to plant your favorite herbs or flowers. With indoor gardening, you can sow seeds and harvest crops regardless of the season outside. Indoor gardening also offers a wide variety of plants that can be grown, from herbs like basil and mint to vegetables like lettuce and tomatoes. The options are endless. It's a fantastic way to have fresh produce on hand at all times. However, indoor gardening isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring your plants get enough light. While you can use artificial lights, it's important to understand the light requirements of each plant to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Humidity is another factor that can be tricky to manage. Some plants need a humid environment while others prefer dry conditions. It's essential to research and understand the needs of your plants to provide the right humidity levels. Lastly, indoor gardening requires regular maintenance. From watering and feeding to pruning and pest control, your plants will need your attention to thrive. But don't let this discourage you. These tasks can be therapeutic and rewarding, adding a sense of purpose to your daily routine. Indoor gardening is a great option for those who want to garden year-round or have limited outdoor space. It's a journey that requires patience and dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So why not give it a try? You might just find it's the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Outdoor gardening gives you the opportunity to grow larger plants and trees, as well as enjoy the benefits of natural sunlight and fresh air. There's something incredibly satisfying about witnessing the fruits of your labor sprout from the earth, bathing under the natural glow of the sun. One of the major perks of outdoor gardening is the availability of space. You have the freedom to grow larger plants, trees, and even create a lush vegetable patch. It's a garden enthusiast's dream to be able to cultivate a variety of plants that range from petite daisies to towering sunflowers, all in one place. Another advantage lies in the joy of working under the open sky. There's a certain tranquility that comes with nurturing your plants amidst the chirping of birds and the whispering of leaves. Not to mention, the natural sunlight and fresh air are not just beneficial for your plants, but for your own well-being too. Now, let's talk about the challenges. One of the main hurdles in outdoor gardening is the need for proper soil preparation. The soil must be nutrient-rich and well-drained to ensure healthy plant growth. This might require some extra work like composting or adding fertilizers. Pest control is another challenge. Slugs, aphids, beetles, the list of potential invaders is long. But don't be alarmed, there are many organic and environmentally friendly ways to keep these pests at bay. Weather is a factor that's completely out of our control. Unexpected frost heat waves or heavy rainfall can wreak havoc on your outdoor garden. It's important to choose plants that are suitable for your climate and to provide them with the necessary protection during extreme weather conditions. Outdoor gardening can be a rewarding experience, but it requires more preparation and maintenance than indoor gardening. However, the sheer joy of seeing your garden come alive in the great outdoors makes every bit of effort worthwhile. So, get those gardening gloves ready. It's time to turn that thumb green. Whether you choose to garden inside or outside, actually, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to gardening. It's all about finding what works best for you and your space. We've explored the world of indoor and outdoor gardening, and we've seen that both come with their unique perks and challenges. Indoor gardening, for instance, is an excellent option for those living in smaller spaces or harsh climates. It gives you control over the environment, allowing you to grow a variety of plants, herbs, and even vegetables right within your home. Plus, it's a year-round activity, so no need to worry about seasonal changes or weather conditions. On the flip side, outdoor gardening provides the opportunity to grow a wider range of plants, including larger ones and trees. There's nothing quite like the feel of natural sunlight and fresh air on your skin as you work the soil. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level, albeit with the unpredictability of weather and pests. But here's the beauty of it all. Gardening, whether inside or outside, is a journey of discovery. It's about learning, experimenting, and growing, both literally and figuratively. It's a chance to cultivate patience, nurture life, and reap the fruits of your labor. And the best part? You get to do it all at your own pace in your own space. So, why not give it a try? Whether you've got a tiny apartment window or a sprawling backyard, there's a garden waiting to bloom there. You might be surprised at what you can achieve with just a little bit of soil, some seeds, and a whole lot of love. Remember, every great garden started with a single seed. So, go ahead, plant that seed, nurture it, watch it grow, and before you know it, you'll have a garden that's a reflection of you, unique, beautiful, and full of life. Get started today and watch your garden flourish.